Alright everyone, I'll go and show you exactly how to backup iPhone data to Google Drive. This process is very simple and doesn't require much effort. However, verify that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So let's jump right in. First of all, we should download Google Drive app. So go all the way App Store, then tap on search bar at the bottom right. Then tap on search panel and enter Google Drive. Then search it and you'll be able to see Google Drive online backup. You should download this app. When you download this app, just open it. You can tap here when you complete to download, or you can find on your home screen Drive. So basically open up Drive app. Now we should log into our Google account. Then when you log it in, tap on three lines at the top left corner of the screen. From up here at menu, proceed to settings. Then select backup and you'll be able to see some different options what we can backup. First of all, we can backup contacts. Just tap on contacts and enable backup to Google Contacts. Then go back, select calendar events and enable backup to Google Drive calendar. Then go back and enable photos and videos. Enable backup to Google Photos and you can select original resolution or grade, high quality, free, unlimited storage. So basically you can select one of these two size. When you're done here, just go back, scroll all the way down and you'll be able to see start backup. Tap on start backup. You should allow access to your contacts, just tap on OK. Allow access to your calendar and allow access to your photos, just tap on allow access to all photos. And now backup is progressing and just tap on done. Now we completely backup our contacts, calendar events and photos and videos to Google Drive. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button, tell me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else. I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video.